Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Coming up on the scoop for today, it's been widely speculated that DJ Teejay ditches Romeich for a top international producer. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is a period where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. So click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest entertainment news and celebrity news. So coming up on the scoop for today, there has been a rumor speculating online that DJ Teejay actually ditches Romeich for a top international producer, Timbaland. Now, this was actually the video that made the rounds on social media that speculate the whole entire situation that you're seeing on screen there right now, with Teejay vibing to a song that he did and actually holding a med with the top international producer, Timbaland. Now, with that said, there have been many speculation based on developing stories that came out in relation to the booking information that has been changed on Teejay's social media platform. Now, it is not clear what really transpired between Teejay and Romeich after the two started out so good, but many have been speculating that too much attention is being placed on Shenseea and not the regular other artists within the camp. Now, those are just all allegations and we're not sure whether or not that was the actual reason for the fallout between the two. But I'm about to provide you now with the latest that I have in relation to this matter right here, right now on Links 007 TV. Has Teejay ditched Romeich for a top international US producer? That's the question many fans are asking. There have been rumors circulating on the internet to suggest that there have been a separation between the two, and this comes on the heel after a video made rounds on social media after Teejay was seen vibing with another international top producer. The businessman and actually music producer has been managing the dancehall diva Shenseea and Ding Dong and also Teejay for the past several years. The source of the current riff with the Rax Riches DJ is unknown. So Shenseea and Ding Dong booking information remains under Romeich management when they were last checked. The up-top boss Teejay, however, has a new booking information on his page. This may be enough proof to support the rumors of the rift between Romeich and Teejay in the camp. It's been widely speculated that the rumors began to surface after the video was posted online after Teejay was seen vibing with the top international producer. But notably, Teejay posted a picture of himself and dancehall recording artist Spice a couple days ago, which added to the fuel of the rumors because it is widely known that Shenseea and Spice are not really close friends. Rumors have been circulating that Teejay has moved his management to Solid Agency. He was also recently seen in a video with Timbaland listening to his track Rax to Riches, which might be just a hint of something big to come. So these are just speculations going out online as it relates to this dancehall star. There have not been an official report or official press briefing from Romeich in relation to the rumors circulating online, but many believe that Teejay has finally taken the big step of moving on with his musical career and is actually trying his best to see how well he can propel and sustain his name in the music business. But all I can say, I just wish Romeich team the best and I wish Teejay team the best as well, because this music business is just such a sticky situation, and at times you and people, you might be going on good, and then certain situation just led to fallout between you and that individual. Not to say that this situation could have not been dealt with differently, but at the end of the day, you have to be your own big man and you have to make your own decision as it relates to your musical career, because we have seen a number of artists, and especially the older set of artists, making some real big mistake in the earlier part of their musical career, and that has left them in a hole up until this day. But we just wish him all the best with whatever he plans to do, and just hope that what he does do with his musical career will actually propel his name more out there to the mass of the world. Well, we'll continue to track this story though and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Links of Sam TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out, and bless and most respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always supporting the movement of Links of Sam TV Celebrity Scoop. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.